Welcome back. Now on the show, we're forever complaining about how we are dying to drive affordable performance cars. So here we have for you a Skoda Laura. No, not the bland and boring one. This one's got spoilers and skirts. It's got stiffened suspensions and a little badge on the grille that reads RS. Abhishek Singh took the recently launched Skoda Laura RS for a spin, and this is what he had to say.
Nomenclature is something that defines everything under the sun for us, and it is in the nomenclature that all differences lie. Speaking of nomenclature, here on the show, when we see an RS tag on any car, it really blows our skirts up, and it puts obscene and uncouth thoughts in our heads. The kind of thoughts that make mothers cringe and girlfriends disown you. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the car that has been putting those kinds of thoughts in our heads, the all-new Skoda Laura Rally Sport.
The new RS is the performance variant of the Laura, or so we are told, and from the outside, it looks like someone gave the unassuming Laura 1.8 TSI a strong shot of caffeine. It's got a nice looking body kit, a slim spoiler attached to the boot, a chunky honeycomb bumper grille, new dual blade Draconis 16-inch alloys with lower profile Goodyear Eagle NCT tires, horizontal daytime running LED clusters on the bumper with dynamic cornering projector HID lamps. What we didn't like, though, is that the VRS badging on the front grille and at the back is not too visible. In our humble opinion, if one has pedigree, they should show it off once in a while. All in all, Skoda has gone ahead and put the bad boys wardrobe on the new Laura RS. And we are loving the makeover so far.
Under the hood of the Laura RS is the same 1.8-litre 160 bhp turbocharged petrol engine that powers the Laura 1.8. 160 bhp might not seem much when you're rallying in the run of Kutch, but let me assure you, in the city, it's going to be quite entertaining. It's going to make sure that you can smoke most red light dragsters with a 0 to 100 sprint time of around 8 seconds and with a top speed of around 200 kilometers per hour. The Laura RS packs quite a punch. It may not be the most powerful punch in the segment, but it's a punch that's going to sting nonetheless.
Another thing that Skoda has done is stiffen the suspension, if not anything, then just to remind you of the car's sporty intentions. It's not made a whale of a difference, to be honest, but one does enjoy driving the car, because it handles like a dream. The body roll problem that the Laura Petrol had is almost negligible in the RS. The turn-in is sharp thanks to the wider, low-profile tires, and the grip also has improved by leaps and bounds. Again, not things that would make your day, but you can't deny they make it a little brighter.
Now with the RS tag, the first gearbox that comes to mind is a DSG double clutch. But that's not what the Laura RS has. What it has though is a pretty slick 6-speed manual, which keeps up and doesn't fail you. Which basically means that those lightning fast upshifts during drags will come quite easily. The sad part though is that there's absolutely no change to the drivetrain, and that blows out all the candles that we'd lit.
The interiors of the Laura RS would bring a smile on every boy racer's face. The two-tone upholstery with the VRS logo embroidered into the backrests of all the seats, sporty and snug front seats, a meaty steering wheel, again with the VRS logo, though without steering mounted stereo controls, the superb touchscreen stereo system, a sunroof, and steel pedal covers that add to the sporty feel. However, we feel that the lack of climate control and electric seats is very apparent.
So the new Laura RS didn't really blow our skirts up too high. I mean, I don't want to sound unexcited, but I remember as a kid when the old Laura RS was launched, I was pretty excited to hear the words Rally Sport. This time around, after having tested the new one, I'm not that excited. It feels as if someone's given me an old toffee in a new wrapper. But that's just me. The new Laura RS is priced at 15.19 lakh ex-Mumbai. So if you just like what you saw, and if you have that kind of money to spare, there shouldn't be much stopping you from writing down that check.